In front of me is OnePlus 15, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Don't worry, you don't need to download any app, but you need to find one that's already on your OnePlus, which is this one called Files. So find it, and when you're ready, launch it. Then hit those three lines at the top left corner and select Clean. Now choose Clean under Junk Files and Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!